My name's Andrew, and welcome to Crankin' and Yankin'.
What's up, folks? Old James. See, I got this. My thing makes me look like I'm fat. Oh, I got this little chest harness on, stood on my hat. I picked up a GoPro 7 about 2 months ago. I hadn't used it too much, and I certainly haven't done any 4K video with it, but I'm gonna try it today. Last time I had this thing on, I busted my butt in a boat. Hopefully that won't happen today. Anyhow, the backyard is flooded, so I'm down here at the, I guess, the big pond, I guess they call it. I don't know. I just call it the other pond. We was already flooded, and now we're flooded even more. Been raining all night and all day, and I don't know, it's probably 54 degrees outside, so it's a little chilly, but it's not cold. Anyhow, I brought one bass rod I'm gonna rig up with a wacky worm, and I brought that little crappie rod. That's all we're gonna take out there. Let's go see what we can do. Looks like I can get my P-roll in the water now. It got so shallow out here. Last summer you couldn't hardly get to the water. I don't know what these fish are gonna be doing after this rain. But the pond I live on's over there. I think if them trees wasn't there, you'd be able to see my P-roll sitting out there by the water. Bass out before I move on. I rig a wacky worm. I just rig it through the worm. I also fish a wacky worm with a 1/16 ounce bullet weight on it, so if I decide I need to go to a Texas rig, I can do it real quickly. Wacky worm. Out there and get a fish. Damn, that's a pretty good one. Right there. I got my scales with me. Probably about 3 pounds, 2.5, 3. Nice fish. Not too well, maybe not 3 pounds, probably about 2.5. Still a good fish. Got one. How about that? How about that? Now, I'm gonna show y'all. This is just a young dinger, a June bug color. And I can probably catch 1 or 2 more like that, and then I'm gonna have to change that worm. But, you know, young dingers aren't expensive. Take this color off. And I'll use this key lime pie with a red head. Let's see how that goes. Maybe Maybe they can see that a little better. How about that? You just cruising around right there in that shallow water. Big boy. That's another one that's about probably, I don't know, a couple of pounds. Ain't too bad. Pound and a half, 2 pounds. Female. See you later. Y'all flying awful low today. Come on in here, buddy. Ain't too big, but beat the hell out of that skunk. Well, the smallest bass ever caught on film right there. Won't be rich and famous. You are a little bitty bass, buddy. You catching them all? You catching them all? Me either. Have you caught any?
I caught 2 over there.
Over on the small side? I caught 2. I think I caught 3. Wasn't none of them.
I caught like 4 or 5 over there.
Yeah. Today?
Sir?
Today?
Like 3 weeks ago?
Oh yeah, they were doing pretty good about 3 weeks ago. I caught oh man, I caught about 50 down there one Saturday. You watch YouTube?
I do.
Cranking and yanking. Look for cranking and yanking.
I will.
You'll see me out here fishing sometime. What's your name?
Andrew.
Andrew. You live on Hyacinth?
I live down there.
Oh,
On the corner.
Okay. Y'all just move in? Been here a while?
A month or a year.
Well, that's about, I think we've been here a year and a half. Good luck.